Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the ideal Flex Work app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Ideal Flex Work is a flexible work opportunity platform designed to help individuals find part-time, shift-based, and on-demand jobs across different industries. The app focuses on giving workers more control over when and where they work, while also helping businesses fill staffing gaps quickly by connecting them with available talent. It's available on major mobile platforms and is commonly used by students, gig workers, and part-timers looking for adaptable schedules. The app's main feature is its shift matching system. Users can browse open shifts, apply instantly, and manage their work schedule directly through the app. Ideal Flex Work provides real-time job alerts, skill-based matching, and options to track work hours and earnings. For businesses, it allows fast job posting and automated candidate matching to reduce hiring time. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its ease of finding short-term work, straightforward interface, and quick access to shift opportunities. The app provides flexibility for those who prefer varied work hours, and its real-time notifications help users secure openings fast. Businesses also value the quick staffing support during peak hours or unexpected shortages. However, there are some drawbacks. Shift availability can be limited in areas with fewer partner businesses, and competition for popular shifts may lead to missed opportunities. Some users also note occasional delays in job confirmations or inconsistencies in hourly rates depending on the employer. In addition, earnings and job quality can vary widely based on region and demand. In summary, the Ideal Flex Work app may be worth using if you're looking for flexible, shift-based work opportunities, want fast job notifications, and prefer managing your schedule through a simple mobile platform. However, if you need stable full-time employment or live in a region with fewer active employers, it might not be the ideal solution for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.